Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Data Analytics. Today we are going to discuss that how you can create your own SQL Server database in your computer. Our agenda is to download the SQL Server in your computer and then download SQL Server Management Studio in your computer and then download the sample database and restore that in your SQL Server. Okay, so let's get started. For that, first you go to the Google search bar and type AdventureWorks Database Download. And then you will see the first link from the Microsoft and AdventureWorks Sample Database -SQL Server. Okay, so click on that. You will bring to this page and here you can download the database. Okay, so this is the database. We are going to download the data warehouse file. So I recommend you to download the AdventureWorks dw2019.mark file. Okay, if you want to download anything else, you also can download that. So first you click on that and download that back file. It will take you the few seconds to download. And it's downloaded now. It's in our download folder. Okay. Now scroll it up and you can see on the right hand side on top corner that there is a link to download SQL Server. So click on that. And it will bring you to this page. If you scroll it down, you will find here that download a free specialized edition. Okay. So either you can download the developer version or you can download edition. I would say download the developer version. So if you wanted to do anything in future with SQL Server, you can easily do that. Once that downloaded, then scroll it down on this page again, and you can download SQL Server Management Studio as well. Okay. Once everything is downloaded, then you can go to the SQL Server Management Studio. It will show up in your start menu, and if you scroll it down to all the Microsoft entries, then you can see the Microsoft SQL Server 18. Click on that. You might have different version, but Microsoft SQL Server Tools, and then download on Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. It will take a few seconds to open it. Okay, now it's opened. And you will see this window, connect to the server. There should be a server name selected. If not, then select it by clicking this arrow. And authentication, when I downloaded, I put it my Windows authentication. So for me, it's that. If you choose a separate password for SQL Server, then put it down that here. So you will have an option to give a password here. Okay, and then connect. Okay. Once you are in the SSMS, and you can see here there is a first folder is database. If you click on that and then right click, you will have option restore database. So click on that. And by default, it is on the database source. However, we are going to select the device. When you select the device, then you will have this 3 dot here on right hand side. You can click on that and now it is looking for a data warehouse back file here. So we are going to add. Okay. So now when you click add, you will not have anything here because you don't have right now anything in backup file. I want you to just select this link and copy that. Control C and then cancel this. Then cancel this window as well. Now you go back to your folder and you have your download folder. So you can see one file there which we downloaded first, AdventureWorks DW 2019.back file. Okay. And now you open another folder as well and just click here and Control V. So it will allow you to open the back file folder as well. Again, you will not have anything here because you don't have right now in a SQL Server database backup folder, you don't have anything there. So you just click on this download folder and drag that while holding a control key. Just drag that file and drop it here in a SQL Server backup folder. Okay. And then you will see that file, back file, it came from the download folder to here. So you will have only one that file. I have more because I already downloaded them. Okay. I'm going to delete this, but you don't. Just leave it there because I already have this file here. So I delete it. Okay. Now go back to the SQL Server, that restore database window which we earlier opened, and go back to that device and 3 dot again, click on that and now go and add. Now you will see one file here which is AdventureWorks 2019.back which we downloaded. Okay. Click on that and click on OK. Now click on this link again and click on OK on select backup device as well. Okay. And lastly, now you have this select that line which you see here on backup sets to restore and click OK. Okay. Within a few seconds, you will see this window that database AdventureWorks 2019 restored successfully. Okay. So, OK. Once that happened, then go back to your SQL Server Management Studio, and if you open if you click on this plus sign on the database, you will see that downloaded here. I have other versions as well, but you will have only one. If you click on that plus sign beside that and click on again on the plus sign on tables, and then you will see all the tables available here. Okay. Just let me give you a little bit intro here that if you wanted to use the views, then you will have some views as well, or some files has more views. This one has a very few, but anyways, all these tables, you can use it for your data practice, data project. So that is all from my side, guys, in this video. If you like the content of the video, then please comment, share, like and subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.